Hey everybody, JD Man here on a 2020 Aprilia Dorsoduro. Get my mirrors right here. Giving her a road test. This is a nice little torquey engine here. Definitely doesn't feel like you're going as fast as you are either. I've wanted a hypermotard style bike here for a while now, and seen this one pop up. It's only got 978 miles on it. Somebody didn't do much riding with it for the 2 years. So it's in nice shape. Just has like one little nick there above the Aprilia. Wish I could give it a proper test here. I don't know any of the roads around here. Get her on some twisties, but that ain't gonna happen. The exhaust sounds really good. I don't know if that's factory or not. They've got covers on them, carbon fiber. It's a shame they don't make these anymore. I guess that engine can't pass the Euro 5. Maybe they'll do a complete redesign and come back out with them. No quick shifter. I don't know if any are available for them. So get out of this 45. It says it's in sport mode. I did notice the throttle is a little lagging, a little bit of a delay there from when you twist it to when it kicks in. Come on, man. Seems to ride pretty good. I know a lot of the reviews I've watched on these say about how heavy they are. Which, you know, yeah, it's definitely not a supermoto. They are a heavier bike, but if if these cans have been changed, that's where a lot of the weight is. You can lose a good 20 pounds. Lose a good 20 pounds by changing those end cans on this thing, because they had the catalytic converter in it too. But then, you know, you're talking a tune when you do that as well, then I would say. I think I was doing some looking whenever I was really looking at one of these, that there are ways to get the fueling done on this, get a little bit more out of it. I'm trying to think though, you know, the 950, the multi-strata 950 and the Super Sport 950 Ducatis that I rode. You know, that engine, same as what's in the Hyper. Trying to think if this is comparable, which this is probably down 15 horsepower. Does sound good. Yeah, this is definitely a bike that if you weren't paying attention you could get in trouble on, because it does not feel like I'm going, it feels like I'm going 40 maybe. Seat's pretty comfortable. Got a nice display there, easy to read. Beautiful day out. I wonder if this is a does sound good. Plenty fast. Plenty fast. Suspension hit some bumps there. Suspension was nice and firm, not jarring but controlled. I don't like road testing bikes because they're not mine. And just hope and pray nothing happens. So now we shall take it out on the interstate for a quick run. Brakes seem okay. They are Aprilia. Aprilia branded, but they're I'm gonna say they're like the Vibres, you know, the Brembo. Weird sitting up high. Little bit of vibey, little bit of vibes, feel it in the pegs. I don't think it's nothing I couldn't live with, being I had a S1000 XR. I think I'd rather have the vibes in the feet than in the hands. I'd rather have no vibes. Of course, you got no wind protection, but it's not bad. Pretty stable. I don't know, since I got the RSV4, I've just kind of become a little bit of a Aprilia fan. wanted to try out the Touareg, but I was too slow. Somebody already put a deposit on it. Definitely would need some tank grips. It's doing about $5,000 at 70. This is our exit. There's Bronco. Oh, yeah, I remember that crazy foot or kickstand. Okay, well, we got to give you a view. That's the black with the red frame. There's that fancy exhaust on there. That sounds good. Carbon fiber. Got Dunlop Sport Maxes on it. There's those calipers. There's no scrapes. Yep. Aprilia. Yep. Lever guards on it. Yeah. So what do you think, guys? Should I try and get it? So, alrighty. This is JD, man, so stay tuned. See what happens here. Peace.